India's Sania Zehra, a 20-year-old, has attained the title of Bee Queen of Kashmir Valley. Sania is the only female beekeeper in Kashmir, and that's not it. She, at this young age, has helped her father grow the beekeeping business by over 400%. She has become a huge inspiration for women across the country and across different ages. We are going to give you a beautiful report here about how this girl has really made this happen for herself and her family. And of course, we'll slip into a short break after that. That's a wrap on News Point. I'm Shivan Channa. Stay with us. Sania is breaking all the gender stereotypes by choosing a profession not many women would take up. She has learnt the art of beekeeping from her father, but it has not come easy. Stung by bees dozens of times, Sania did not give up, but emerged stronger and took up the profession. Sania has also become the victim of online trolling after she was called the Bee Queen of Kashmir. But she says she has learned to look at the love received and ignore the hate.
I'm thankful to everyone who has given me the name of Bee Queen of Kashmir. I started this work in 2021 and it's been 4 years since I've been doing this work. It was of my grandparents initially, and when I saw my father putting so much of hard work into it, I too insisted on doing it.
Sania is from Balham area of Srinagar. She not only sells her products in India but abroad as well. Sania has now also added multiple cosmetic products made from the honey and its extracts, which are gaining popularity as well. She makes face creams, oils, soaps and many other organic products.
Not just honey, I have introduced hair oils, creams, serums and soaps. And in the future, I want to expand my business. I will ensure our produce will have a good name in the market.
In recent times, Kashmiri women have proved their mettle in every facet of life. From sports to business to entertainment industry. The younger generation is taking challenges head on and overcoming all the hurdles.
Sania, also known as the Bee Queen of Kashmir Valley, has not only grown her enterprise but also inspired hundreds of other women to start their own businesses. She now wants to build her own brand, which is not only beekeeping but making other products as well. With video journalist Feroz Idris Sloan for WION World is One.